The family we're born into, whether rich or poor, is something that we have no control over. Despite this, it continues to affect our perceptions and opportunities in society. While it's true that somebody who's born into a poor family might have to take more steps in order to achieve generational wealth, even those born into wealthy families are going to have to make wise decisions in order to continue their journey towards building that generational wealth. One important differentiation to make is the difference between generational wealth and personal wealth. Generational wealth is different from personal wealth because it also encompasses what you're passing on to the next generation and then the generations after that. In my opinion, building generational wealth is more rewarding. Not only are you creating wealth for yourself, but you're also creating wealth that your community will see for years and generations to come. The lack of access to information on how to create generational wealth is one of the big reasons for some societal issues like the racial wealth gap and immigration as well. In addition, the compounding nature of building generational wealth makes it even more powerful because the decisions that one makes today could, double in impact for the next generation, triple in impact for the generation after that. So again, the compounding nature of building generational wealth makes it even more important. My aim as I create this step-by-step guide to building generational wealth is to talk to somebody who's starting with nothing and take them on the full journey towards building generational wealth. This was a breakdown of the introduction section of my guide, so stay tuned for more videos on the rest of the sections. Thanks.